Mama told the doctor, and the doctor said, no more monkey jumping on a bed. Four little monkey jumping on a bed. One fell off and Ponty said, Mama told the doctor, and the doctor said, no more monkey jumping on a bed. What did this one? The last one. Two little monkey jumping on a bed. One fell off and Ponty said, Mama told the doctor, and the doctor said, no more monkey jumping on the bed. Two little monkey jumping on the bed. One fell off and Ponty said, Mama told the doctor, and the doctor said, no more monkey jumping on the bed. One last and once you finished. One little monkey jumping on the bed. One fell off and Ponty said, Mama told the doctor, and the doctor said, put those monkey right to
My
bed.
name is Aditya Jet. Point to the giant bomb. I am dying. And David up. My wife and tight. My baby and David up. Thank you.
Thank you.
Morning, everyone. My name is Adar Gupta. My poem is Puppy Dog. Puppy dog, wag your tail. Woof, woof. Puppy dog, let out the way. Puppy dog, don't wanna have a puppy dog, send them home. Mummy, everyone. My name is My name is Butterfly. Up in the sky. Butterfly. Good morning, everyone. My name is Kadam Singh, and today recite the poem. Three blind mice. Three blind mice. Three blind mice. See how they run. See how they run. They all run after. They all run after. Farmer wife and farmer she got on a step. She got on a step. And a carving knife. And a carving knife. Telling everyone. My name is Kashmir Dixit. I am going to recite the poem. My poem name is Bingo. Bingo rhyme. Farmer Brown had a dog. Bingo was rainbow. B-I-N-D-O. 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 The bingo was rainbow. My name is Madam Shakira. I am going to recite and go watching and hurrah, hurrah, and go marching and hurrah, hurrah, and go marching on little runners. System all go marching down to the ground. Right out of the rain, boom, 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 boom. My name is Vishka Gupta. Today I am going to recite the poem Incy Wincy Spider. Incy Wincy Spider अपना वायरस पान down in the lane and watched the spider out in the sun and tried the border and Incy Wincy Spider अपना बार again. Everyone, my name is Savi Misra. I'm a study PG second. I'm going to recite a line. Lee Bo Peep. Lee Bo Peep has lost her sheep and can't tell where to find them. Leave them alone and they will come home. Everyone, thank you. My name is Andy Tin. I'm going to My name is Samyak Sachan. I'm going to recite a poem. La 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 tiger. La 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 tiger. 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 Trger. Tiger. T for tiger. It's wild and hunter. It hunts everybody when it is hunger. La 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 tiger. La 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 tiger. Good morning, everyone. I am Anna Singh. I'm going to recite Piggy on the River.
Row, row, row your boat gently down the stream. Merrily, 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 life is but a dream. Row, row, row your boat gently down the stream. Merrily, Hello everyone, my name is Avni Singh. Today I am going to recite a rhyme on season. Rain, rain, go away, come again another day. Let the choo-choo bounce through play. Rain, rain, go away. Rain, rain, go away, come again another day. Let the choo-choo bounce through play. Rain, rain, go away.
My name is Ayansh Agarwal. Today I am going to decide a rhyme on season. If you know all the seasons, clap your hand. If you know all the seasons, clap your hand. If you know all the season, you got to vulture of the reason to shout and name the season, clap your hand. If you wear the winter, go like this. If you wear the winter, go like this. Because winter is the season when you know there's always reason to shivering and sneezing, go like this. My name is Sivika Gaul. Today I am going to recite a rhyme on winter season. Oh, it's winter, I feeling cold. Wear your sweater and jogging to go. Time to spot a bus and my guitar. Way time for animals to play. Days are short and nights are long. Time to make snowman all along. The sky is dark, the ground is white. Just keep doing the snow, such a delight. Oh, it's winter, I feeling cold. Wear your sweater and Joby to go. Very good afternoon to all of you. My name is Arshika Singh. The title of my poem is Let's Preserve Our Nature. The sun is shining, the sky is blue, the birds are flying and the breeze is so cool. Mother Nature trying her best to give everything and beautifulness. But what we do, make her a mess. Let's make her the best by polluting less and less. And preserve her great dress for kiss and to rest.
Good afternoon to all of you. I, Jess Annie, recite a poem for you. The title of my poem is Mother Nature's Bucket. Sweet joy, the flowers have come, they have followed the showers, they have grown with the sun, they have spread their leaves, they have opened their petals to welcome the bees, they have brightened the day,
They have grown to become Mother Nature's bucket.
Good afternoon, all of you. I am Shakshi Vastav. I study in class first. Today I decide a poem for you. The title of my poem is Nature is what we see. Nature is what we see. The hill, afternoon, squirrel, eclipse, the bumblebee. Nature is what we hear. The boboling, the sea, the crickets, the thunder. Nature is what we know, yet have no art to say. But nature is beautiful in every way. I see a Srivastava of grade 1, proud to recite the poem for you. Name of my poem is Nature Music. I love nature music and summertime songs. The wind plays the harp and birds sing the tune. The birds part is sung by the man in the moon. Each one knows their part to the very last letter. And even our radio doesn't sound any better. Thank you.